Hello beautiful you family, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley. And for today's tutorial we are going to be using the Juvia's Place Honey. The palette is called Honey and it has orange colors and some type of like yellowish color. So I will be teaching you how to use this Juvia's palette. You don't necessarily need to have the exact palette. If you have a palette with orange color with some type of gold and yellow, you can use that as well to be able to achieve this beautiful makeup eyeshadow look. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, I went off camera to get my eyebrows done, and now I am going ahead. I went ahead to apply my eyeshadow primer to be able to make my eyeshadow pop. So please keep on watching me to learn how I was able to achieve this look. If you are new here, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you are one of my subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for all your support. Again, please share with a friend, a family member, and help me to be able to have this channel grow. Let's grow this channel together. Thank you and keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and also like, share, and comment. Thank you. All right, beautiful you family. So I started packing some of my orange eyeshadow color and also the orange one, which also had like a shimmer. So I started packing it on my cut crease. And you want to do this very gently. Just take your time and go ahead and pack it there. So as you can see, that is what I'm doing. I went ahead to put some of the orange color, and when I was done with that, I went in and I used the one which had like shimmer, and I also pack it on top of it. Okay, from the camera it looks like some type of yellowish or orange color, but it was orange. So I went ahead, when I was done, I went ahead to use like the deeper orange color, and I am putting it at the outer part. And when you are done, you just want to take your time to blend everything all in, and voila, this is what I was able to achieve with my Honey Juvia's palette. Now our eyeshadow look is completed. Look at those eyes. It is looking so popping. So now we are moving on to doing our foundation. I went ahead to put some of my foundation on my sponge, and I am going ahead to gently apply it on my face. Look at that. I usually don't put a lot of foundation on my face. Again, I am using my concealer under my eye, on top of my forehead, and also on the bridge of my nose. And we are going ahead to make sure that the concealer is well set in. So I am using the same sponge that I use for my foundation to push in my concealer on my face. After I am done with that, I will be going ahead to use my setting powder to place it on my concealer so that the concealer doesn't move. So I went ahead to apply a little bit under my eye, because usually after I'm done with my makeup, my under eye get to crease a lot. So I went ahead to use my Juvia's Place setting powder on top of the places that I apply my concealer, and that is what I am doing. I got the sponge that I'm using, or the foam that I am using to apply the powder. I got it from Valentine Co. I'm also using this palette, which I love so much, to contour my face, because it has like a darker color that I'm able to use. Once I am done, I will be listing all the products that I use for my face, you can go ahead and check it out. But I love it so much because I am able to contour my face with that. After I am done contouring, I like to go on the side, like along the bridge of my nose, to also use the darker contour color that I use to make sure that I contour my nose, because I want that nose to be looking so sharp and pointy. So that's what I am doing. Check those eyeshadows out, man. That color is popping on a dark skin girl. So after I was done, I went ahead to use my black waterline pencil to use it, and like I said, I'm still learning how to do my eyelashes. So once I become a pro, I will be teaching you guys, beautiful you family. I will do like a separate video to show you guys how I'm able to achieve that. Whenever I'm done with my makeup, I can't talk for some reason. I always go ahead with some of my setting powder to go on top of my eyebrow, or the starting point of my eyebrow, just to make sure that it looks sharp. So I'm using my mascara to use it on my real eyelashes, and after I am done with that, that is when I go ahead to apply my extension, my lashes on. And yes, this makeup is looking so good. I apologize for the lighting, because where I did my makeup, I think the lighting was a little bit poor. But after I was done with the look, I went ahead to spray my face. I used my setting spray to spray it out. Now check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.